Back at I/O 2017, Google announced plans to launch standalone headsets running its Daydream VR platform, and at CES this week, we're seeing the first of those from Lenovo. The Lenovo Mirage Solo is a new Daydream virtual reality headset which runs on Google's VR platform, but unlike Google's own headset, the Solo is completely standalone. You don't need to connect a phone in any way at all, as the processing power lives inside of the headset itself. We spent some time with the Solo here at CES 2018, and the experience so far is pretty great. You get the same fantastic Daydream interface and games, but with a new element in world sense tracking. The two cameras on the front of the headset allow it to see the world around you and give you the freedom to move around within the VR environment. There are restrictions to this, of course, but in the demos we were able to try out, I was left pretty impressed, and the experience is much more immersive compared to a standard mobile VR experience. We'll have a lot more to say about the Mirage Solo when we get a chance to review it in full later this year, but in the meantime, stay tuned to 9to5 Google for more on CES 2018.